Alright, so first I'm going to season up the chicken. I'm going to use salt, pepper, adobo, and thyme seasoning, as well as a sazon packet for color and flavor. So these are my wings. This is about 4 pounds of wings. It was about 14 whole wings. I'm just going to season it up liberally. You already know colored folk, we just pour until our brain says stop. But you don't want to overdo it. At the same time, you don't want them to come out salty or over seasoned, because sometimes we won't believe that that can happen. You can over season your chicken. So after salt and pepper, you want to mix this up and get it nice and marinated, just like this. And this is just an easy, simple recipe. You don't even need sauce after this. Actually, that adobo and sazon is really good. So this is what it looks like. I almost forgot to add some oil, so I did add it, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of oil. It is going into the oven and it's going to help it to crisp up. I decided I wanted to fold my wings back when I made this recipe, so I folded my wings back just like this, and I'm going to bake them up in a 425-degree oven for 1 hour. And then we're going to start basting it with the sauce. Speaking of the sauce, these are the ingredients you're going to need. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I got 2 types of hot pepper, salt, smoked paprika, vinegar, sugar, ketchup, pineapple juice, honey. The list goes on. But this is my own little, I added extra things to it because once I got the gist of what mumbo sauce actually is, then I was like, okay, I could put a little bit here, a little bit there. I push it a little bit, and that's pretty much what I did. So you want to put all of your ingredients into the pot, as you see me doing here. And we're going to put it on the stove and let it simmer for about 10 minutes and allow it to cool down so it can thicken even more. When you start your sauce, it should not be lumpy and thick. This is not what you're going for. At least not to my, that's not what I prefer. So this is what it looks like after it simmered about 10-15 minutes. And I'm going to allow it to sit for a while. And that's how you know it's done, when it coats the back of the spoon. This is what my chicken looked like after an hour on 425. I'm convinced I have a weak oven because on 425, the wings should be way darker than this, but they were cooked all the way through and nice and golden. I just wanted them a little more darker, but I didn't want to overcook them. So you want to put your sauce over the wings. Look at this. Look, I can't. And you see, this is why I didn't want a thick sauce, because I don't like blobs of sauce on chicken. It just doesn't look right to me. After the sauce sat, after I put the chicken back in the oven for another 15 minutes, this sauce has been sitting here. And you see how thick it got thicker. And this is just perfect for dipping or glazing, or if you just want to pour it over something. So these are my wings. After 15 more minutes in the oven, they look great. I'm going to baste them with the sauce in a pan, and that's pretty much it. It's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was so easy to make. It is quite a few ingredients, but it's worth it. The sauce is super delicious. Literally, I love this sauce. So I hope you guys give it a try. Tag me and let me know what you think if you make the recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.
This is it. So bomb. The wings are delicious, you guys. Oh.